Okay, on this play, we're gonna set up a little differently. We're gonna have 2 right here. We're gonna have 5 over here. We'll have 1 on this side if the ball's on that side. And then 3 here and 4 at the elbow. Now, one thing I wanna point out, and this is for all of our box sets, but I want you guys to start up above the block, so not on the block. That way you have some room to get a pass and make a move. The way that this will start, of course, 1 will slap the ball. When 1 slaps the ball, 4 and 3 go corner, and at the same time, 5 is gonna come set a screen. 2 might set that up and come to this opposite block, and we're looking to maybe dump the pass to 2, but what we're really looking for, notice that 2 will have a smaller, if they're running man against us, we'll run this. 2 will have a smaller girl on her than 5 will, and we're hoping what they do is switch this, or they may even get confused. But if they switch it, 5 will be here and we'll seal number 2's girl, and then we have a little pass here for a layup. I would imagine that this will be open sometimes as well. Worst case scenario, we have 5 over here where 2 now is. We can, well, it'd probably be kind of a hard pass, but you could throw it to the corner and then we dump pass it in for 5, or we have our safety over here to the 3. So this play is pretty simple. It's called 2, and we're looking for this little action right in here.